Hey, what's going on everyone? My name is Tim. Welcome to SUNPAK Review. Today we're going to be reviewing the Sivga SV007 open back headphone and see if they sound as half as beautiful as they look. So without further ado, let's get it. So as you may know, my review process is based on all or a combination of these pillars: presentation, aesthetics, usability, affordability, and is it as promised. Sivga's presentation is the stuff of legends and screams retro premium. From the first moment you pick up the box and feel the weight of the contents, you know you're in for a treat. It reminds me of the old Bluetooth black box treatment, and just for old time's sakes, let's give it that treatment right now. The black box treatment begins with a classy matte black outer sleeve that offers you a first look at the product and gives you a generous amount of branding and product information, while at the same time not being too busy. Of course, the sleeve slides off to reveal the premium feeling magnetically collapsed black box. I really like these boxes because they can be used for many things after you've removed the product. Now once open, you see a very nice black headphone carrying case. And finally, the case opens to reveal the headphones, a linen cable management bag, a 4.5-foot cable with an inline remote and microphone for hands-free calls, a 6-foot stereo audio cable with 3.5mm and a 6.35mm adapter for monitoring, along with an airplane adapter. Now when it comes to the aesthetics, as usual, I like to start with the carrying case. It is a matte black, soft touch, semi-hard case, and keeping with the classy feel, has a single embossed Sivga logo. Now I've seen cases that would generally fit any headphone in this category, but very rarely at this price point do you see a company craft a case specifically for its headphones, as you do here with the Sivga 007s. Now onto the headphones. These headphones are beautiful. I know you see the pictures and videos, but they just don't do them justice. And if I compare the Skullcandy 360s to a Benz or a Lexus, which is more flashy class, then these would have to be more of an understated premium luxury automobile like the Audi. The ear cups as well as the headband are encased in super soft protein padding. The hinge, sliding adjuster, as well as the open back grille is made up of high quality metal. And then you have the star of the show, which is the marvelous wood grain. At the base of the headband on each side, you have a small Sivga logo, and directly beneath you see an L for left and an R for right. These headphones come with 3 different wood options: walnut, rosewood, as well as black. Now when it comes to the usability, this is where I would usually geek out on the specs, but since we're reviewing a wired headphone, it just made my job a lot easier. The ear cups can be rotated up to 180 degrees, which is convenient for single-sided monitoring, and the stretchable headband is flexible to fit different head shapes. And I'll say this: if you can't find a comfortable position for these headphones, then the problem is not the headphones, it's you. And that's it. This is one of the reasons that these are so beautiful, because there's no power, volume, bass, or ANC switches of any kind distracting you from the beautiful wood grain. And when it comes to affordability, Sivga could have easily asked for a boutique price of $200 or more for these headphones, and would have been justified for the build and quality alone. But when you pair the build quality along with the awesome sound quality at this price, man, Sivga, I don't know how you all are able to do this, but keep doing it. Now when I got these headphones and opened the box and put them on for the first time, to be honest, I was very disappointed. Now let me qualify that statement. First of all, I have to say that I'm a refined bass head, which means yes, I love the bass to thump, but I like for my mids and my highs to be clean and clear as well. So when I put these on, especially after just doing a review for the Bluetooth UFO 2 and the Skullcandy Crusher 360s, these headphones were flat and boring. But then I had to come to grips with the fact that these are open back, flat profile headphones. And so when I took off the bass head persona and actually opened up my ears to hear the sound that these headphones were producing, I was surprisingly impressed. The headphones have a great sound stage, and they allow you to hear different instruments or noises coming from different directions. And after listening to a couple of different genres of music that are made for headphones like these, I found myself falling in love with these headphones. So that means these headphones are beautiful, they are affordable, and they sound great. So they are as promised, and they get my seal of approval. Well, this has been my review of the Sivga SV007 open back headphones. If you have any questions about the product or like what you saw, please leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell notification to be notified of future videos. Hey, this has been Tim with Simple Tech Review, and we'll see you next time.